Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about the concept of role hierarchy in the Salesforce environment. So if you have not seen our previous lecture, because in this series we are learning the Salesforce from the scratch in very easy way. So please go to the description box and you will get all the videos link, Salesforce video link. So you will understand all the concept of the Salesforce environment. So let's we start the concept of role hierarchy. So in the previous lecture we have already discussed about the security model, that is a part 1 uh, profile. So how we will create the profile, what is the importance of profile in the Salesforce environment. So now the next topic is the role hierarchy in the Salesforce. That is the also very important role played by the this concept in the Salesforce environment. Suppose if we are configuring a Salesforce CRM in a particular organization, there is a different types of the role hierarchy occurs in the Salesforce in the organization. So how we will manage the role hierarchy and how we will provide the access, or how we will restrict the object tabs and application in the different roles. So today we will discuss about the roles, so how we will create the roles in the Salesforce environment. So let's be start on the desktop screen. So at the quick find, just search role. So whenever you type the roles, so you will get the roles. So click on the roles. So after click on the roles, you will get a particular layout, that is the roles, and here you will see the different types of the roles hierarchy. So in this you will see there is a kind of view that is available in the Salesforce environment. So first one is the, if you see this one, next one is, so we can also design as per our needs, as per our requirement. So CEO, directors, and associates, vice presidents, so as per our needs we can do that. So this is the right top corner, you can see. So we can see as per our requirements. So this is the tree view. If we will select sorted list view, so this is the sorted list view, all the hierarchy in the occurs in the organization. Now next one is the role. So in the list view, so this is the list view of the role, and if we want to create a new roles, we can create from here. So just setting up the in the tree view. So this is a kind of tree view of a particular roles in an organization. So here you will see this, that is the add role. If we want to create a particular role, add roles, we can just click on this role and we can create easily. And if we want to edit or modify particular role in the available or existing roles, we can do that. Suppose CEO we want to change, we can do that. So by click on the edit button, we can do that, and after that we can also delete this roles. So it's up to us or up to you how we are designing the roles, and as per the requirement we can do all the operation we can perform on this environment. So suppose we want to create a new role under this any particular role. Suppose we want to create a new role under the BP North America sales. How we will do that? So just click on the add roles, or BP marketing. So just, so this is the kind of layout, means how we will create a particular new role. So this is the new label. So here you will provide the any name that you want to, and this is the role name, which type of role you want to provide. So what is the actually meaning of the role, so you can understand the roles. Suppose I am a faculty in a particular organization, or I am a manager in a particular organization. So that is a kind of role I am serving, or I am providing my services as a manager, team leader, project manager in a particular organization. So that is a kind of role. If we are having a particular role as a vice president or director, manager in a particular, so these are the kind of roles in the particular organization. So we can create also and we can save. So how we will create? So suppose here we using the ABC. Now role name is the ABC or either manager, or either we can say assistant manager. We can create under this kis and under the manager. So we are creating a particular assistant manager role under the vice president of marketing. Means this assistant manager will report to the particular immediate boss, that is known as the vice president of marketing. If we want to change, we can click on this and we can choose. Suppose we want to select another, otherwise we can cross it, or either we can change it from this. So we can, if we will select there, it will be reflect here. So now the name of the role, we can provide the name assistant like this, and now we click on this. So after click on the save, it will be saved. So why it will be not? Because it is already available. Review all error message below. So assistant manager is not available, so we can also do that, change the role. So as per our needs, we can do all the things like associate. So we can do that under the marketing, vice president of marketing. So we can do that. So this role name already exists, so associate 1. Okay, now so there is a kind of facility provided in the Salesforce. If anyone's name already exists there, then duplicate name should not be there. That is the kind of property of the DBMS or database. So that name was already available. That's why we have changed the particular name, and that easily it saved in the Salesforce environment. Now we are able to new roles, that is known as the ABC. This is the role. And so how we will create and how we will edit. So if we want to edit, we can do that. So in the click on the edit button, we can change. So associate 1, vice president. If we want to change the kind of boss, we can assign. So like this pattern, this we are able to particular rectify all the solution, and we can also provide the, or even we can generate the particular role hierarchy for a particular organization. So in this way, we can easily create a role and assign the particular task to the particular role. So this is the actually all the environment of the Salesforce, and we are creating. So that's why Salesforce is very popular. So friends, that's it for today. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. Your subscription gives me a motivation. So friends, if you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you friends.